Tired of manually tracking weather-related employee absences and risking payroll mistakes? Learn how to set up a complete weather policy in Gusto in under 4 minutes. Follow along as I guide you through each menu click, from selecting the policy type to configuring compensation and accruals, and finally, activating it. First, open up Gusto in your browser. Then click on Time and Attendance from the main menu. Now, navigate to Time Off within that section. To get started, click Add a Policy. Since the weather policy isn't in the main list, click See More Policy Types. Then select Weather Policy from the expanded options. Give your policy a name in the Policy Name field. Now choose the compensation type. Click Paid if you want it paid, which is the most common. Or, if you'd prefer not to pay for this time, click Unpaid instead. Next, pick the accrual type. Click Fixed Amount for a simple set allowance. Then click on each employee's start date to set the accrual to begin on their first day. Click Next to move forward in the setup. Then click Next to get past the settings step. And click Next once more to arrive at the accrual screen. Now go ahead and type in and fill out the accrual information here. Click Next again to continue. Then click Next to go to the enrollment step. Finally, click Activate to turn your weather policy on, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.